Baby doll. Come over here. Come. Let me look at you. If you do not dance, you have no purpose. And we don't keep things here that have no purpose. You see, your fight for survival starts right now. You don't want to be judged? You won't be. You don't think you're strong enough? You are. You're afraid. Don't be. You have all the weapons you need. Now fight. Again.
Something. Some of them want The mystery of whose story it will be, of who draws the curtain. Who is it that chooses our steps in the dance? Who drives us mad? Lashes us with whips and crowns us with victory when we survive the impossible. Who is it that does all these things? Who honors those we love with the very life we live? Who sends monsters to kill us, and at the same time sings that we'll never die? Who teaches us what's real, and how to laugh at lies? Who decides why we live and what we'll die to defend? Who chains us, and who holds the key that can set us free? It's you. You have all the weapons you need.